I picked up the all-new 2020 Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus, not the regular HD 8, which, by the way, I also have a video on that coming up soon, but the HD 8 Plus, which has a few more features compared to the HD 8. So we're going to jump into the first impressions right now. Now, this is more of a quick unboxing, first impressions type of thing. So this video is going to be fairly short, as we're just going to fly through the unboxing here to see what it is packing. So the inside obviously contains the unit itself. We then have the USB Type-C with this tablet, which is a pretty nice addition to it. And there is a 9-watt power brick here. Looks larger than the standard or the regular power brick, since this particular model supports faster wired charging along with wireless charging. As we go back to the unit itself, it just has that familiar feel, which at first glance seems to be built the same way as its siblings, the other tablets. We can look closer here and see that it's slightly larger than the Amazon HD7. By the way, please do me a huge favor and hit both the like and the subscribe button there. It's a huge boost to the channel, and I truly appreciate your support here. But anyway, so according to Amazon, this tablet here is supposed to push better performance than the regular HD 8 and also than the previous model. It's also supposed to be a slightly improved design along with those additional features like the higher RAM at 3 gigs and wireless charging, as I mentioned not too long ago. Also, depending on how you put this on the charger, you can turn it into a smart speaker, into an Amazon smart speaker. The first thing that hits me with this tablet is that the front camera kind of dictates that it should be held in a landscape position, unlike the previous generation tablet. Now, looking at the physical features, starting on the side here, we have the micro SD card slot for the external storage. Then at the top here, we have a headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, the mic, the power button, and of course the volume rocker. Then on the other side, we have the 2 speakers. On the back here is a camera, which is a 2 megapixels camera. And of course, the front has the other 2 megapixel front-facing camera. The display is a 1280 by 800 for the resolution, so not necessarily the brightest or the best display out there, but you can definitely enjoy watching movies or videos on it with no issues whatsoever. This is the 32 gigs version, and there is also a 64 version if you want to go for that instead and up your internal storage. It is of course loaded with Amazon Fire OS, sitting on Android 9. But as you would imagine, just like it is the case with the other Amazon tablets, there's no Google Play Store here. However, you can sideload that. I'm pretty sure, I haven't tried it with this tablet just yet, but I'm pretty sure I can sideload Google Store in order to be able to access all of the Google Play Store app. It seems pretty snappy, things load fairly quickly, it handles media streaming services pretty well. So obviously Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus, these are some that I tested here and they are pretty good. I'm hoping to be able to sideload the Google App Store, as I mentioned earlier, in order to download some games. That way I can fully test and see how they play on this tablet. This was just more of a quick unboxing video. I'm hoping to be able to thoroughly test the tablet and bring to you guys a full comprehensive review of it. I'm certainly looking forward to performance, to see how it performs against the regular HD 8, and I will bring all of that to you in my next full review video of this tablet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, of course, comment. I'm going to catch you in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Peace.